Well, hello, bonjour, sandwich fans. It's Sandwich Dad here again. How are you? And today we're back with another installment of my Sandwiches of Canada series, where today we'll be doing the Montreal smoked meat. This is a pretty quick and simple sandwich. Could I have brined and steamed my own brisket? I guess. I'm not going to, though. Ziggy's it is! Now as I warm up and steam my luscious smoked meat, you're probably wondering, what's the difference between Montreal smoked meat and pastrami or corned beef? Truly, there's not that much of a difference. The difference is the cut. Pastrami typically is navel cut, but Montreal smoked meat is all whole brisket. Slight differences in curing times and steaming time. Montreal smoked meat also has a few additional spices, but really, it's two sides of the same story. In New York, there's Katz's, and Montreal, there's Schwartz's. Both started by Jewish immigrants in just two different parts of North America. Both part of a rich deli culture with meats piled high. Rye bread, beef, and mustard. Cut diagonally and reveal. Oh yes. Of course, the packaged stuff isn't nearly as good. But for now, I'll let it serve as a reminder that I gotta get to Montreal again one of these days soon. This is Sandwich Dad. Au revoir!